Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today I will show you about the Bitsler. Actually, it is the cryptocurrency game. So as you can see, I have deposited here yesterday. Yesterday I deposited here 1 lakh Santoshi, and you can see here. Sorry, just hold on. I will show you. You can see here that on 5th April I deposited 1 lakh Santoshi here, and today is the, you can see, 6th April, and today morning I played the multiplied games, and you can see that I increased my balance 1 lakh Santoshi to 14 lakh Santoshi. That's mean the 14 times higher. So actually what I see in these games, I check first that how seeds are going in this game. So this is the 50-50 game. That's mean the won and loss should be the equal, right? So the ratio should be the 50-50, and it can be go to the 70-30, but after 100 rolls it will come back to 50-50 ratio. So if the losses are higher, like 15 loss and 8 wins, so what I do, I change my seats. I change my seat from here, and I again play with 1 Santoshi. Right, so in this seat, let's see how this game's. So 2-1, 3-1, 3-2. That's mean the seats looks good. So as I have the good balance, so what I can do, I can play with the higher bets. So I lost, I will multiply. So you can play according to your balance. So you can see that I am in the profit of the 1000 Santoshi. Let's see. So again I lost. Lost. So you can see the my seeds now going higher, but I have balance. So let's see. I am taking risk. So now my profit is 11,000. So I can stop here and I can reset. So now my balance is the 14.35. So I will stop for some times. So this is the way we can play, and we have to very careful here to change this bet amount, because many times you can lose whole amount, because sometimes what happen, this full amount come here automatically. I don't know why and how. So by mistakenly you can lose. So you have to be very careful about this, and this, right? And you have to keep the ratio. You have to look on ratio, and you have to also look on your this my bets, how the things are going here. You have to see here how the probability of winning. So as you can see that if you are 5 to 6 loss, so you can start to multiply. So this is the way we can earn. Let's see how much I can earn through this. But this is the good app if you play with smartly, and if you will play slowly, if you check, if you know when to stop your dice. I rarely play this automated backed. Sometimes just to check the sheet, what I do, I just play with the one chance, and I ensure that to limit my numbers like 100 just to check. And I also check my bet amount, because most of the times it changes. You can increase the speed here, you can check how the things goes here. So whatever strategy you follow, every 2-3 times apply this strategy. You can play 100 rolls, 100 loss you can take, and then you can play again with your own strategy. Okay, so I hope all of you enjoy this app. And I also play the here in the free Bitcoin. You can see that every year I claim. Actually in this side it is the risky, bit risky than the Bitsler, I feel so. So we have to be very careful. But the only advantage in this free Bitcoin that this gives the free Santoshi here, and we can win the lottery here also. You can see I have the 2.2 lakhs lottery tickets, and in this app you can also claim the Doji coin. So I will give the link of this app, and register through my link. And if you have any query, you can contact me on any time on my WowApp. Okay friend, good luck, take care, bye.